In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Costx software. To get started, open your web browser and head to the official Costx website. Once the site loads, look for a section labeled Downloads. Try Costx or Free Trial. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the website you see, but these are the areas you'll want to check if your goal is to download the software safely from the official source. From there, sign in to your existing RIB or Costx account. If you don't already have one, go ahead and create a new account. If you're downloading the free trial version, you'll also need to complete the registration form. Take your time here and make sure your details are entered correctly because this is usually linked to your access, trial, or licensing information. Once you're signed in and have access to the download area, choose the installer that matches your operating system. In most cases, that will be the Windows 64-bit version. It's always a good idea to double check this before downloading since choosing the wrong installer can cause problems during setup. Next, click download and wait for the installer file, which is usually an .exe file, to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the download is complete, open your downloads folder and locate the installer. Now double-click the installer to begin setup. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Run to continue. This is normal when installing software downloaded from the internet. The installation wizard will now guide you through the process. First, accept the license agreement. After that, choose the installation location, or simply leave it on the default setting if you're not sure. Then click Install to begin the actual installation. At this point, just wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, click Finish to close the installer. After installation, launch Costx from your desktop or from the Start menu. When the program opens, sign in with your RIB or Costx account. You'll then need to activate your license or trial using the license key provided by RIB. If you're an eligible user, you may also have access to a training license. And that's it. Costx should now be downloaded, installed, and ready for use. If you run into any issues, make sure you're using the official website, the correct installer version, and the proper account access before trying again.